Have you ever wondered how your phone recognizes your face, how self-driving cars avoid accidents, or how chatbots seem to understand you? That's artificial intelligence or AI in action. But what is AI, really? And how does it work? Let's dive into the fascinating world of AI, explained in simple words. Hey everyone! Welcome back to this channel, where we break down complex topics into easy-to-understand ideas. And today, we're talking about one of the most exciting and transformative technologies of our time, artificial intelligence, or AI. AI is everywhere from the apps on your phone to the cars on the roads, and it's changing the way we live, work, and play. But despite hearing about AI all the time, many people still don't really know what it is or how it works. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of what AI is, the different types of AI, how it works, and how it's impacting our lives. Plus, we'll explore some fun examples and even discuss what the future of AI might look like. So, if you're ready to dive into the world of artificial intelligence, hit that like button, subscribe to channel, and let's get started. What is artificial intelligence? Let's start with the basics. What is artificial intelligence? Simply put, AI is the ability of machines or computers to perform tasks that normally require human intelligence. These tasks include things like understanding language, recognizing patterns, solving problems, and even making decisions. Think of AI as teaching a machine how to think, not exactly like humans, but in a way that allows it to do things that seem smart. Like recommending what movie you should watch next on Netflix. AI in everyday life. Chances are, you've already interacted with AI today without even realizing it. For example, when you ask Siri or Alexa to set a timer, AI understands your voice and performs the task when Google Maps suggests the fastest route to your destination. It uses AI to analyze traffic patterns, and even your robot vacuum cleaner uses AI to navigate your home and avoid obstacles. AI is all about making machines smart enough to help us in ways big and small. How does AI work? The basics of AI technology. Now that we know what AI is, let's talk about how it works. At its core, AI relies on three main things. Data. AI needs lots of data to learn. For example, to recognize cats, AI is trained on thousands of cat photos. Algorithms. These are step-by-step instructions that tell the AI what to do with the data. For example, how to identify patterns. Computing power. AI systems need powerful computers to process all that data quickly and accurately. When you combine these three things, you get an AI system capable of learning and improving over time. Machine learning, the heart of AI. One of the most important parts of AI is something called machine learning. This is how AI learns from data. Instead of being programmed with every possible rule, the AI is trained to recognize patterns and make predictions. For example, if you show a machine learning model thousands of photos of cats and dogs, it can learn to tell the difference between the two based on patterns like shape, size, and fur texture. The more data it gets, the better it becomes at making accurate predictions. Deep learning. AI has brain-like networks. Deep learning is a special type of machine learning that uses neural networks, which are designed to work like the human brain. These networks have layers of neurons that process information step by step. Deep learning is what powers some of the most advanced AI systems, like self-driving cars and facial recognition software. Types of AI. Narrow AI versus general AI. There are two main types of AI you should know about: narrow AI and general AI. Narrow AI is designed to do one specific task. For example, Alexa can answer your questions, but it can't drive a car. Most AI systems today are narrow AI. General AI, on the other hand, is the dream of creating a machine that can think and learn like a human, capable of performing many tasks. We're not quite there yet, but researchers are working on it. Examples of narrow AI. Narrow AI is all around us. Some cool examples include AI in healthcare. AI systems can analyze medical scans to detect diseases like cancer. AI in gaming. Ever played against a computer opponent? That's AI at work. AI chatbots. Many companies use AI to handle customer service inquiries. These systems are incredibly powerful, but they're focused on doing one thing really well: real-life stories and fun examples. Self-driving cars. Self-driving cars are one of the most exciting applications of AI. These vehicles use cameras, sensors, and deep learning to navigate roads, avoid obstacles, and follow traffic rules, all without a human driver. Imagine a future where you can sit back, relax, and let the AI do the driving for you. AI in entertainment. Did you know AI is also transforming entertainment? For example, Netflix uses AI to recommend shows and movies based on what you've watched. AI-generated music can create original songs in seconds. Artists are using AI to create stunning digital artwork that pushes the boundaries of creativity. AI is helping us explore new frontiers in art and entertainment, challenges, and future of AI. Ethical concerns. While AI is amazing, it also comes with challenges. For example, bias in AI systems can lead to unfair outcomes. Deepfake technology can be used to create false, misleading videos. AI surveillance raises questions about privacy and freedom. These are important issues that researchers and policymakers are working to address. The future of AI. So, what does the future hold for AI? Many experts believe that AI will continue to revolutionize industries like healthcare, education, and transportation. We might even see breakthroughs in general AI, bringing us closer to machines that can truly think like humans. The possibilities are endless, and the future of AI is both exciting and full of potential. And there you have it, artificial intelligence explained in simple words. From understanding what AI is to exploring how it works and where it's headed, AI is truly one of the most transformative technologies of our time. What do you think about AI? Are you excited about its future, or do you have concerns? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe to this channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an upload. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.